This is the easiest DIY disposable mask you can make with basic household items. You will need a durable washable paper towel, twist tie, t-shirt string, medical tape, pen or pencil, scissors, binder clips, a ruler, and your filter. If you can't get a HEPA or HVAC filter, you can still make this mask and it'll provide a layer of protection. First, take one sheet of your paper towel. Mine measures a little under 10 inches or 24 centimeters. Fold it almost in half, leaving about a centimeter or a half an inch margin, and crease it. Unfold the paper towel, find your middle mark, and place your twist tie right under the middle line. Take your medical tape and secure the twist tie. Take your filter cut to size and place it in the middle. Fold the top back down. And take your medical tape and tape down the end. Next, you can use a ruler or eyeball a halfway mark and then quarter, and do the same on the other side. Mark halfway and quarters. Pinch the bottom quarter and fold it up to the middle mark. Crease that fold and secure it with binder clips. Secure the other side. Again, pinch the bottom quarter mark up to the middle line and crease the fold. And secure the ends with binder clips again. Next, you're going to take your string. I've cut mine to about a foot or 30 centimeters long. Place it in the middle. Take your tape and cut it to the height of the mask. Undo the binder clip. Fold over the end, over the string, and secure it with your tape. Do the same on the other side. Place your string on the end, fold over the end of the mask, and secure it with tape. Take your scissors and cut a little slit on the ends of the mask so the mask can open more fully. Now fold your mask in half and then open it up to give it structure and shape. Tie the ends of the strings on one end of the mask, and then try it on over your face over one ear to see how tight you should tie the other end. And there it is, your DIY easy disposable mask. For alternatives, for example, if you don't have t-shirt yarn or string, or some kind of soft yarn, you can also cut up the ends of an old t-shirt to make a soft ear loop, or you can use your nylons, old nylons, or if you're going to use elastic, make sure it's a really soft and flexible elastic like the ones used in surgical masks, because any thick elastic will really hurt your ears after a while. Also, if you don't have medical tape, In a pinch, you can use a stapler. Just make sure to staple the top to the inside of the mask so that the ends are on the outside and they don't scratch your face. Thank you for watching, and I hope you stay safe.